Wow, RoRo, look at this place. I can't wait to explore.
It's beautiful, DoDo. I wonder what we'll find.
Look at all the flowers. I want to see everything. DoDo, maybe we should look where we...
This is amazing! There's so much to see!
DoDo? Duh? I need to show you something. What is it? Look at the path you made getting here. I didn't mean to hurt the flowers. I wasn't looking.
I know you didn't mean to. That's why we need to look where we're going, Hi, so we can see the tiny things that need our care.
Can I try walking more carefully? Like you do? Of course! Let me show you. It's actually really fun, Dad. You see so much more when you go slowly. See? First you look down to see where you'll step. There's a flower here, so I'll put my paw beside it instead of on it. Like this? Perfect! You did it! The flower is safe, and you saw exactly where you stepped. I did. And I can see the flower better this way, too. Look! RoRo, there are ants!
When you walked through their line before, they had to start over. But look how hard they're working together to rebuild.
I'm sorry I messed up your line, little ants. I'll walk around you now. That's very kind of you, DoDo. The ants may not understand your words, but they'll definitely feel the difference when you walk carefully around them. Hi, Teacher Owl.
Good morning, DoDo and RoRo. I see you're learning about gentle steps today.
I made some mistakes rushing through the meadow, but RoRo showed me how to walk more carefully so I don't hurt the flowers or the ants.
That's wonderful self-awareness, DoDo. Making mistakes is how we learn, as long as we're willing to change our behavior afterward.
I just remembered what you taught us, that every creature matters, no matter how small.
Exactly right, RoRo. And would you both like to know something wonderful about walking carefully?
When you move slowly and carefully through nature, you don't just protect the small creatures, no. You actually get to SEE more of them. Fast movement scares them away.
Really? Going slow helps us see more?
Yes, indeed. Watch this. See? When we're calm and still, nature trusts us. This is Luna. She lives in this meadow and visits the flowers every day.
Luna wasn't afraid because you both were so gentle and still. That's the gift gentle steps give us, closeness to nature's wonders.
Can we practice more? I want to see what else we might notice if we walk really carefully.
An excellent idea, Dodo. I have a challenge for you both. Try walking to the other side of the meadow using your most gentle steps.
We can do that.
I'll fly above and watch your progress. Remember, there's no rush. The meadow isn't going anywhere, and the slow...
RoRo, look! There's a tiny spider web between these two grass stalks. It has dewdrops on it that look like diamonds. It's beautiful. And it's right where you would have stepped before. I'm so glad you saw it this time. I'll remember this spot so I can check on the web when we come back. I want to see if it catches anything.
Dodo, come see this. Hi. Yeah. A whole ladybug family. They have babies.
If we'd been running through the meadow, we would have shaken this leaf and maybe scared them away. But because we're moving gently, so being gentle isn't just about not hurting things, it's also about getting to really see them and share their space nicely.
Exactly.
You understand it perfectly, Dodo.
Something's wrong with Luna.
I think she's trying to reach those flowers, but the wind keeps pushing her away. She looks tired. What if we stand on that side? We could block the wind and make a calm spot for her. That's a wonderful idea, Dodo. Let's try it.
We did it!
I'm so happy for her.
This peaceful moment allows us to observe Luna the monarch as she drinks the sweet nectar, a vital
That felt really good. If I'd been rushing around like before, I wouldn't have even noticed Luna needed help. Being gentle helped me see she was struggling. And you came up with such a clever way to help her. When we pay attention to nature, we can understand what it needs and find.
Wow, they are really busy. We have to be super quiet. I see one covered in gold.
Dodo stops and looks back at the path they've taken. Unlike his rushed path from the beginning, this path shows no damage.
See the difference? This time you moved through the meadow like you were part of it, not just rushing through it. I think I understand what Teacher Owl meant. When we move gently through nature, we're not just visiting nature.
That's exactly right, Dodo. And you've both done beautifully. Look how much you discovered by moving with care. Can you tell me what you learned today, beyond just watching where you step?
I learned that when we're excited, we can still slow down and pay attention. And that being gentle doesn't mean. And I learned that helping my friends learn is just as rewarding as exploring. And that even when I already know something,
Both excellent lessons. Dodo, you've learned that mindfulness, paying close attention, enhances experiences. Every step we take in nature and in life has an impact. We can't avoid having an impact.
So it's not just about meadows and flowers. It's about being gentle and paying attention to how we affect everything around us.
That's exactly it, Dodo. The gentle steps we practice today can be gentle words, gentle actions, gentle thoughts about others. Yes, that's exactly it, Dodo.
the gentle steps we practice today can be gentle words, gentle actions, Thank you for being patient with me and showing me the right way. You're a really good friend.
Well, I think we've had a wonderful morning of learning. Why don't you both head home and practice your gentle steps on the way?
We will. Bye, Dodo. Great job today. Mama, I have to tell you about the meadow. Tell me everything, sweetheart.
At first, I was rushing and I accidentally stepped on flowers and broke up the ants line. I felt really bad. It sounds like you learned something very important today, that we need to think about how our actions affect others.
And we helped a butterfly named Luna. And we saw ladybug babies and a spider web with dew like diamonds.
I'm so proud of you for learning to be more careful and gentle, and for being willing to change your behavior when you realize. Would you like to practice gentle steps around the house? We could walk very carefully to set the table for lunch. And I'll show you how I look where I step so I don't bump into anything or knock anything over.